How to bet on Super Bowl 53 in 53 seconds. First, sign up with a trusted and reputable online sportsbook like BetOnline. Then, enter in your name, email, password, and other required information to create an account. Deposit funds with one of the numerous options available to create your bankroll. Check and see if there are any promotions or bonuses for the big game. To place your wager, click the Sports tab. Here you can select the team you want to bet on, the type of bet you want to make, and finally how much you want to wager. Then, to confirm everything, click Place My Bet. And you're all set for the big game. We've provided some links to easily reach the sportsbook shown in this video, and we hope you enjoy.